I'm so glad I did not meet her during that week.
Ouch! Ouch! That hurt. Ouch, Ayushi. Hi, this is Ashika,
Hi, this is Ayushi. Welcome to Said and Done podcast.
a podcast where clarity, chaos, and career collide.
We work 9 to 5, but our brains don't shut after.
So, from personality growth to societal shifts, we think deeply, we talk freely, and we always ask.
Why?
So, Ayushi, I feel that everyone here can solve for X, but they don't have the answer to why their ex was an emotionally unavailable person.
Of course.
So, I think today is the day when we talk about things we learned in school but we never ever used in our lives.
It's a long list. I mean, did anybody else use the Pythagoras theorem after they gave their last exam? Please raise your hand. Nobody.
Do you remember वो तुमने reels देखी है? Pythagoras theorem was invented in 1850.
And before that,
तो वो ऐसे करके जाते हैं rather than going like, oh भाई,
Yeah.
so funny. But have you ever used LCM? Have you ever used HCF?
1 second. Yeah. LCM.
याद भी नहीं है यार.
Oh,
God.
God.
But नहीं, मतलब I feel school में इतनी सारी चीजें सिखाई, but they never taught us about emotions.
Yeah.
We knew how to draw neat diagrams of the human heart, but heartbreak handle करने ही नहीं आता अभी.
And bro, many important things like taxes. I had to take one, separate course to understand how to read my salary slip, how to apply to my taxes, and many things like. I mean, there are so many other things that are important in life. Like again, like you were saying, emotional capabilities, consent for that matter. So I feel like schools have given us the fear of authority, but they never showed us gave us that confidence to go beyond a certain point and then live for yourself.
True.
So I think many things were not taught in schools, and we are just left to figure out life by ourselves.
I completely agree with but then I was a very naughty kid in school. First bencher, savvy teachers, teachers, pet and everything of that sort. But then now when I look back, I think how much have I missed उसमें because when I hear people, my friends, तो उनका ऐसा होता है यार हमने स्कूल में ये किया, यार हमने स्कूल में वो किया. मैंने पढ़ाई के चक्कर में वो मेरा सोशल स्किल्स जो उतना था वो कभी उतना डेवलप ही नहीं हुआ. Although I was good at public speaking and everything, but then वो एक फ्रेंडशिप कैसे बनती है, how do you talk to people, वो small talk से आगे कैसे जाते हो, all those things were never taught specifically. ऐसे नहीं कभी पढ़ाया कि ये ऐसे करते हैं वो वैसे करते हैं. So I think being a naughty kid, I know कि school life enjoy करना is so important.
Is very, very important because I think we were very stuck between that geometry, trigonometry, and then the Pythagoras theorem. And when in class 11th and 12th, if you like people who have chosen science, especially with the maths thing, calculus, it had a separate book. The R.D. Sharma had a separate book for the calculus. Like there were part A, part B for the R.D. Sharma.
Integration, differentiation, calculus,
And it gave me literal fever. So I used to like maths till class 8,
Same.
till class 10. After that, it became the reason why I was so traumatized of
PTSD दे गया यार.
हाँ, मतलब I did not sign up for this. I used to love maths, but then who did this to maths and what am I going to use this for? And I was right. I did not use differentiation and integration after that.
Also पता है physics में they teach us power का formula क्या है, but when in real life you lack motivation, then nobody is teaching us that. Nobody is teaching us how to say no,
Yeah.
how to ask for consent. मतलब how are you going to survive life if you don't know such small
Yes.
things?
And these are the things which are actually you have to figure it out khud se because it is not something like when you actually need it. No, you are not going to ask that I need this skill to be good. You will, and that is the reason why I think so many of us are enrolling in very like it's good to be upskilling all the time, enrolling in online courses and everything. But then what I think it would have been much better if it was already incorporated in the curriculum, so that it then would have become a part of our lifestyle and inherent in our behavior and attitude.
Like we know the periodic table by heart, but we don't know about periods, we don't
Yeah.
know how to handle pain, we don't know how to handle panic attacks. वो सब कुछ नहीं है, बस पढ़ो, मार्क्स ले आओ. And also
Marks.
स्कूल में अगर तुम लेट आते हो तो तुमको पनिशमेंट मिलती है, बट इफ यू स्टे लेट तक काम कर रहे हो तुम, देन यू गेट रिवॉर्ड्स फॉर दैट,
Yeah.
बिकॉज वाओ हाउ लाइक स्कूल के बाहर भी
It
खड़े
is
हो जाना
kind
was a crime.
Yeah, it is like hyping up the toxic things and very, as you said, like unnecessary rules that you can't wear black shoes on Monday. And I don't know what was the point of the PT classes. It did not teach me any kind of self-defense, to be honest, and neither did it like attention standards. I lack attention. So I don't know what that was for. Like sure, उसमें मजा आ रहा था because it was the only break period
True.
for us because सारे subjects के बीच में वो तो आ जाता था तो फिर ठीक है चलो PT class. But what was the point?
No, so you know, even for that matter, me. But हम ना बहुत सारे लोग पीटी में भी जाके पढ़ाई करते थे.
Oh
And I
God,
think
you
back,
were one of
yes,
those?
I was one of those people, and I was like, yeah.
I'm so glad I did not meet her during that period.
Ouch! Ouch! That hurt. Ouch, Ayushi. It's okay, but I am glad I met you, Abhi. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, coming back to the topic after getting hurt.
Yeah.
So see, this was not taught in school.
How to deal with her?
ये मैंने खुद से सीखा है. So mind you,
सीखा है?
सीखा है.
अभी
अभी
Yeah.
सीख लिया मैंने guys. But the thing is, if this was taught in school, मतलब these things should be taught in school. क्योंकि आजकल बच्चे are camera ready, but then they don't know how to deal with such things. They
Yeah.
don't know how to deal with hate comments. They don't know how to deal when people come up to them and talk to them. How are you gonna talk to people? How are you gonna, you know, just put yourself out there if you don't know the basics of conversations, the basics of saying no, the basics of not over pleasing people and
Yeah.
all of those things.
Agree.
So also the fact that you remember slam books?
Slam books.
School में?
I think I liked it and I always wanted to have one and I always wanted to say it's like कि in schools we used to have friend groups
हाँ,
and it
right.
was not like everybody it was not corporate that you have to maintain corporate professional relationships with everybody. So we had like a group of 6-7 people.
Mhm.
The whole class was divided into groups like that. So even if you do not belong to my group, but you're circulating the slam book among your groups, I would be really sad that if that slam book did not come to me. I was like, अच्छा देखो मेरे बारे में नहीं करना है.
भाई वो
And like कि ये इसने मेरे से स्लैम बुक नहीं भरा है अभी तो मैं
अभी तो मैं बात नहीं करूंगी.
हाँ.
I'm cutting with this person. भाई कितना पर्सनली लेते थे हम स्लैम बुक को. And do you ever read that slam book?
yes
sister?
I do.
Really?
Yeah, I have a diary and I have like notes from my class teachers, my math teachers
Huh.
also in that. I did not make it like I did not get it signed by all the teachers. I only got it signed by those teachers whom I wanted to
Right.
connect later on also. So I do have it at home and I go
Like,
through them
I don't-
sometimes and it's really nice because my friends have written like 25-30 pages of things and it takes me and in really in great detail. So what we used to do with slam books is that we used to take like in friends group like मैं बता रही हूँ, so we used to take the slam books and keep it with us for filling for like 4-5 days. And then हम लिखते थे उसमें पूरा भर के, so it is like a story book and a really nice time for me when I read it.
No, so what we used to do is वो स्लैम बुक एक पूरा टेम्पलेट टाइप सा आता था
हाँ,
बुक,
yeah.
तो उसमें फिल करते थे. एंड देन उस टाइम पे ना जो फ्रेंड्स है, जो क्लोज फ्रेंड्स है, दे विल गेट टू फिल 2-3 पेजेस ऑफ इट.
Okay.
बट जो मतलब उसमें भी ना कैटेगराइजेशन होता था कि तू एक में बस हो गया तेरा,
हाँ.
तू 2-3 में फिल कर दे. एंड देन ये सब तो होता ही था, बट देन आल्सो उसके साथ में बर्थडेज आते थे.
हाँ.
जब when you used to write उसमें बर्थडेज,
हम्म.
फिर वो ध्यान में रख के हम
हाँ.
ये भी करते थे कि मुझे एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट, मुझे ये मुझे वो. एंड तेरे स्कूल में ऐसा होता था कि बर्थडेज के टाइम पे स्कूल लाइक प्रॉपर चालू है, एंड देन यू यूज्ड टू गो विद योर फ्रेंड टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द चॉकलेट्स टू द
Yeah,
टीचर्स एंड
I
एवरीथिंग.
think-
एंड उसमें
हाँ.
एक किसी को उठा के लेके जाना था,
हाँ,
जिसको
हाँ,
उठा के
जिसको
लेके
उठा
जाना
के
वो मेरा
लेके
बेस्ट फ्रेंड है.
हाँ.
एंड उसको 2 एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट.
And it was such a nice मतलब the night before that मैं और मेरी मम्मी बैठ के हम किट्स बनाते थे, थोड़ा किट्स में एक चीज ये डालेंगे. It was really fun and during the slam book filling period we had like everybody of us used to bring so many colored pens, sketch pens and everything. कि हम
Glitter
colourful
pens,
हाँ पूरा
crayons,
colourful बनाएंगे मस्त सा. I would never deny that these were the golden days of life. मतलब I obviously wanted to like every other person we always wanted to grow up and have jobs and live an independent life and everything. But then that is not something that I would never trade for anything else. The kind of time, yeah.
Like I remember I was not that involved in ये सब activities में, but after 8th standard I started getting involved in the school का ये सब चीजें, talking to people, getting to know them and everything. So recess में ना, interval में, break में, what we used to do is tiffin exchanges तो होते ही थे, but at the same time वो उस टाइम पे no teacher is supervising you, nothing is happening. तो what we used to do is एक जन फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठ जाएगा, बाकी लोग पूरे रो में पीछे बैठेंगे, एंड दैट वुड बी द पर्सन हु वुड ड्राइव अ कार और अ बस और व्हाटएवर, एंड वो ऐसे जाएगा तो पीछे वाले सारे ऐसे जाएंगे. ओह गॉड, दैट वाज सो फन. इतना ये सब किया. देन फिर उसके बाद में वो उछलेगा कि भाई स्पीड ब्रेकर आया तो हम भी पीछे उछलेंगे. ओह गॉड, मतलब इतना सब. School is fun.
Yeah.
But then again,
It's fun, and this reminds me of something that I kind of opened a small business with my best friend in school when I was in class 4.
oh,
So we used to make cameras out of papers.
हाँ.
So like 2 sheets, 2 A4 size sheets चाहिए होते थे. And खाली मतलब it is obviously not, but it does like खिच खिच ऐसा होता था.
Okay,
ठीक है,
हाँ.
fold करके, origami
correct.
करके. So my best friend only taught me that. And after that ऐसा हो गया कि everybody was bringing 2 papers to our desk and literally manufacture कर रहे थे. ठीक है, तो we were like कि 2 पेपर लेके आओ, पेपर हमसे नहीं जाएगा, वो नोटबुक है. क्योंकि वो नोटबुक में भी बोला ना मिडिल पेज, कितना मिडिल पेज, आफ्टर सर्टेन कंटेंट मिडिल पेज आल्सो इज नॉट मिडिल पेज एनीमोर. ठीक है, तो सब 2 पेपर लेके आते थे, एंड हम दोनों जन डेस्क पे बैठ के फ्री पीरियड्स में या ब्रेक टाइम पे, हम दो ब्रेक्स होते थे, शॉर्ट ब्रेक, लॉन्ग ब्रेक.
हाँ.
तो शॉर्ट ब्रेक में हम टिफिन खा लेते थे, तो लंच ब्रेक के टाइम, लाइक लॉन्ग ब्रेक के टाइम पे लोग आते थे हमारे डेस्क पे, एंड हम खट करके बना के दे रहे सबको. सो एट वन पॉइंट माय सेक्शन हैड सो मेनी कैमरास. एवरीबॉडी हैड अ कैमरा.
God.
And-
And do you had like in your school वो section wars वगैरह कुछ होता था क्या?
एंड हम पार्टिसिपेट भी करते थे डांस वगैरह में.
हाँ,
Yeah,
वो तो
blue
like
house and red
हाँ,
house, ये सब
हमारे
होता
उसमें
था.
ना ऐसे होता था कि रेड हाउस वाज अग्नि, ब्लू हाउस वाज जल,
Okay.
वायु, ऐसे कुछ कुछ तो
हमारा फ्लावर्स का नाम था क्या, ब्लूबेरी, मैरीगोल्ड, रोज हाउस एंड हेदर हाउस.
हाँ, तो हमारा अग्नि, वायु, पृथ्वी, समथिंग ऐसे ऐसे कुछ था. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ
Okay.
नेचर. तो ब्लू, रेड, येलो एंड ग्रीन. सो दीस आर द
हाँ,
4
यही
houses.
colours के,
Eight common
हाँ,
colors होते हैं,
हाँ.
but हाँ. But yeah, those days were actually very fun.
Fun.
And also talking about the houses, like when I was talking about section wars, तो हमारे स्कूल में ना ऐसे होता था कि हम आपस में ही, नॉट फॉर द
हाँ.
डांस कंपटीशन और ये, हम आपस में ही सेक्शन वॉर्स कर रहे हैं कि
Okay.
भाई दिस सेक्शन इज बेटर देन योर सेक्शन. देन टीचर कभी आके कुछ बोलेगी कि
Yeah.
उस सेक्शन में तो पता है ऐसे होगा. एंड देन फिर उसके बाद में जब फ्री पीरियड्स भी है,
हाँ.
तो वो सेक्शन का उतना फ्री पीरियड है तो हमें भी
हमें
उतना
भी
फ्री
चाहिए.
पीरियड चाहिए. सो
But I used to hate those class teachers who used to shuffle whenever they see कि अच्छा ये दोनों friends बन गए, अभी हमको ना इनको अलग से बिठाना है. ठीक है, एंड इवन लाइक आई थिंक क्लास 5-6 तक हमारा हुआ था कि टाइम दैट यू आर लेवलिंग अप टू द नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड, सेक्शंस चेंज होते थे. ठीक है, तो उसमें एंड ऐसा हो जाता ना कि समटाइम्स द इक्वेशंस मैच विद सम पीपल.
हाँ.
सो इवन लाइक आई थिंक क्लास 4 का ऐसा था कि 4 में मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन गए थे 1-2. ठीक है, 5 में जाके सेक्शंस चेंज हो गया, तो हम ब्रेक्स के टाइम पे वी हैड अ कॉमन स्पेस इन
हाँ.
पार्किंग लॉट और समथिंग. तो वी यूज्ड टू गो कि हम 3 यहीं पे बैठ के हम लंच करेंगे. तो सब 3 अलग अलग सेक्शंस में थे, तो 3 अलग अलग सेक्शन से हम एक ही पॉइंट पे आते थे, एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू हैव लंच टुगेदर. बट again a question to you, if there are so many things in the school, like apart from all the very good memories, if there are so many things that we learned in the school which is not relevant in our life, in our day-to-day lives now, do you still think that schools are relevant?
Oh, yes, definitely. Because school is, I guess, the stepping stone for yourself to get out in the world. Although ये सब communication वगैरह ऐसे नहीं सिखाया जाता है कि हार्ट ब्रेक होगा तो उसके साथ कैसे डील करना है, when you have panic attacks तो कैसे डील करना है. But then again, the conversations that you have with your friends, the friendships you make in school, and you know, so that this did not happen with me, but ऐसे मैंने बहुत सुना है कि you know, glimpse of your crush के लिए बाहर कॉरिडोर में घूमना,
Yeah.
तो पूरी के जो मूवी टाइप्स बना देते हैं and everything. So this is also a very nice aspect of going to schools, understanding who you are, which
Yeah.
subjects you like, because ऑल्दो LCM, HCF, पाइथागोरस नहीं होता है, बट इवन इफ यू नो कि तुमको साइंस पसंद है, यू कैन टेक साइंस एज अ सब्जेक्ट. इफ यू नो कि भाई साइंस पसंद ही नहीं है, आर्ट्स पसंद है, ड्राइंग पसंद है, यू कैन गो देयर. सो इट्स अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन.
Yeah, I think that the exposure to so many things gave us the freedom to choose that what I like and what I don't like.
Right.
And also I feel that literacy is important and the communication skills, because I think like these are the unsung MVPs of even the corporate journey. Like you have to write emails. Even for the DM that you write, you need to have certain level of fluency and
Understanding
literacy
कि
of
कैसे
things.
बोलना
Yeah.
है.
And I feel also that 5 minutes of oral tests that we needed to give, I think that really prepared us for the presentations that we are giving
Right.
currently to the clients. So I'll not directly cancel out the importance. I think just some tweakings and everything might be required so that it becomes more relevant and helpful to the people for their journey.
I completely agree. थोड़ा सा talking about how to handle your emotions
Yeah.
better. Talk about थोड़ा सा communication. Like I think psychology as a subject ही अगर
Already
डाल दे,
Hmm.
biology में भी कुछ खास तो पढ़ाते हैं नहीं कि
I
तुम्हारे
still feel
human
biology is a life skill.
it is a life
It is
skill, but I'm just saying थोड़ा और add होना चाहिए उसमें.
Hmm.
Like तुमको the topics that are important भी brush up हो जाते हैं fast because of the kids.
Yeah.
But then again उसको थोड़ा सा अच्छे से समझाओ, psychology add करो कि why emotions are important, why consent is important, कि
Yeah.
भाई no बोला है तो no का actually मतलब क्या होता है. All of these things are very important, and if you have any school friends with you, उनसे बात करो. If you know someone who is in school, उनसे बात करो. Tell them school का importance क्या है, क्या नहीं है, and enjoy. उनको बोलो just enjoy that.
Yeah.
क्योंकि ग्रेड के पीछे मत भागो. I know ग्रेड के पीछे मत भागो.
And for people who have already crossed that journey and you are seeing your younger ones who are going through that journey, please let them know the importance of the time that they're living
True.
currently, because it's never going to come back.
10th के
Yeah.
बाद हो जाएगा, 12th के बाद हो जाएगा,
कभी
कुछ
भी
नहीं होता है, वो स्कूल ही
तो जो
होता
है उसमें रहो and have fun.
True.
Yeah.
And share it with your friends जो तुम्हारे अभी के स्कूल फ्रेंड्स हैं, जिनको कभी तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हें बात करनी चाहिए but you are not talking to them.
And
Share
if
it
we
with
were
them.
able to trigger some very nostalgic, sweet memories that you had with your friends, please share it with them. And
If you can do
Yeah.
repost on your Insta stories, let people know about your school, let people know your stories. Comment section में डाल दो कि तुम्हारी क्या स्कूल की स्टोरीज थी, कि तुम बस ड्राइव करते थे या तुम प्लेन ड्राइव करते थे या तुम क्या कैमरा बनाते थे या वो प्लेन
Planes,
बना के
हाँ,
इधर उधर
paper planes.
फेंक रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. टिफिन मैं तो पकड़ी भी गई थी, मेरी प्रिंसिपल आके मेरे को पकड़ के गई थी कि क्यों खाना खा रहे हो, टिफिन का
हाँ,
टाइम
बीच
अलग
में.
है ना, बीच में क्यों खा रहे हो. तो ये सब अगर किया है तो शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. नॉस्टैल्जिया लो, दूसरों को नॉस्टैल्जिया दो. वी विल कैच यू इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ सेटल डाउन.